Hi, beautiful souls. Welcome to Tarot with Donna. Today's reading is all about those tricky, emotional, no contact situations. Yes, if you have been wondering what's going on in their mind, do they think about me, why they are silent, and most importantly, will they come back to me? Then this timeless reading is for you. Remember, energy has no time. So, whenever this video finds you, trust that it has a message meant for you. If you are ready, let's dive in. Starting off with the Eight of Cups, and this particular card shows me that they walked away. Maybe suddenly, maybe leaving things unfinished. At the time, they thought leaving was the easier choice, but their heart never really left. Yes. They are stuck at present. They are pretending to be okay and maybe acting like nothing happened between you and them, and maybe even posting happy things online. But deep down, they are conflicted. They don't know how to face you. And then their feelings for you are still alive. Even in silence, the bond has not broken. This is that type of connection where no matter how much distance, they cannot stop thinking about you because we have the lovers card, okay? So love is still there, the feelings are still there. And there are so many hidden emotions. They may not admit it, but at night they think of you. And for some of you, they even dream of you. Yes, they are getting dream about you. This is what I'm seeing here. And they feel changed to you. No matter how much they try to distract themselves with work, with friends, even other people, something keeps pulling them back energetically towards you. And for some, the obsession is strong. Okay, and their heart wants to reach out. They rehearse the conversations in their mind. They imagine what they would say if they messaged you, but then fear takes over. Okay. For example, like you suddenly see them watching your stories after weeks of silence. Okay. Or the mutual friends mention your name and they instantly change the topic. They keep tabs secretly, pretending that they have moved on. Okay. But let me tell you, they haven't. So now why they are not contacting you? If I talk about it, then something big happened between both of you. A fight, a misunderstanding, or simply their fear of how intense this bond felt. They were not ready, okay, at the time. And they also carry guilt. They left you out in the cold and now they fear rejection if they come back. So that is the another thing which is holding them back from you. And this is what if he or she slams the door on me kind of fear is there. Yes, I can see a lot of ego, a lot of pride in this person. They want to maintain the control. They don't want to appear weak by coming back first. Okay. Like, okay, why me? She should contact first or he should contact first. That kind of energy is there. And even though their heart screams to talk, their pride and the ego holds them prisoner. So that kind of energy is definitely there. And yes, what next if we see that what is about to happen next? They are being forced to face the truth of this connection. The past is catching up with them and their conscience is not letting them rest. This is, I'm seeing with the judgment card, okay? And we have the beautiful card that is Ace of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune. So this is beautiful. So despite the silence, their heart overflows for you. They still want a new beginning, a fresh chance, an apology, a message, something they are looking for, okay? And tables will turn, my dear. Some of you will suddenly hear from them out of nowhere, a late night text, a random call, or even a sign through mutual friends. For others, destiny will bring them face to face with you again. This is what I'm seeing. Now, this is a general reading, so take only what resonates with you and please leave the rest. And just imagine, okay, you walk into a cafe and boom, they are there. Okay, so this can happen for some of you, or you get a certain message like, "Hey, I was just thinking of you," and it will feel like fate. Okay, so if I talk about the advice the cards are giving us, is this is not just about them. This silence has been shaping you. Okay, You have become sharper, wiser. You now know your worth and your boundaries. You don't need them even if you love them. That's your real power. Wow, so beautiful. And because you have grown, the next time they show up, you will decide from strength, not from fear. And how beautiful and practical is this, right? Wow. And because we have the Queen of Swords, and it shows that you will decide from strength, not from fear. Beautiful. So, yes, this was your reading, my love. Uh, in this no context situation, the truth is simple, okay? They haven't forgotten you. They are stuck between love and pride, and yes, ego. And destiny still has unfinished business here for some of you. If this resonated, let me know in the comments. Did this sound like your story? Have you felt their energy even in silence? I would love to know. And if you want more deep, timeless reading, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a message meant for you. And remember, silence doesn't mean absence. Energy never lies. Stay strong, stay aligned, and I'll see you in the next reading. Take care. Bye for now.